Hey guys and girls, how are you? I'll show you how to do sandwich. We're gonna toasted bread first of all on George Foreman grill. Small grill, you see? Toast it like this. That's it. And we're gonna use, it's gonna be triple sandwich. So we're gonna use organic ground beef, Havarti cheese, and bacon. So after toasted the bread, we're gonna little fry the bacon and see you after a couple minutes. Thank you so much. Hey guys, we come back. We're gonna check what's going on here with the bread. Oh, beautiful stripes. You see? Beautiful stripes. Ah, look. So we toasted a little bit. Right now, we're gonna do fry bacon. It's not really greasy bacon. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, okay. And we're gonna close the lid and we come back again. Thank you so much. Hey guys and girls, we came back. We'll see what's going on with bacon. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Look, the stripes. Oh, okay. Wow, look. And we're gonna do right now, put ground beef on the top of the bread. This is organic ground beef. I like it. I really like it. Very delicious. Very healthy. Little salt. Not much. Little bit. That's it. And put again. Close. And see you after done. Thank you. Hey guys and girls, we came back. We're gonna check what's going on. Looks beautiful, look. Another one. Looks beautiful. So what we're gonna do? We put bacon on the top of the meat. Like this. Cheese. And close like this. And put again. Probably for 1 minute. And see you after this. Thank you. Okay guys and girls, we back. Check our sandwich. Oh, wow. I wait probably 2 minutes, but I think it's enough 1 minute. Look how beautiful, you know. Beautiful toasted, you know. Oh, very crunchy. But I can't eat right now because it's very hot. We come back after 1 minute. Thank you. Okay guys, and we'll see. I think it's sandwich little bit cool off, and I'm gonna cut little bit because I wanna share with my wife. Look, bacon, cheese, and ground beef. Triple sandwich. Looks beautiful. Very crunchy and very juicy actually. Thank you for watching, guys and girls. Thank you so much.